Hello, this is the best chef. Pressure cooker in high temperature. Avocado oil. Some clean lamb bones. After it's browned, we add the spices. Cardamom, coriander, cinnamon, and bay leaf. Regular water. Skim the scum. Put the lid, leave it for 30 minutes. The pressure cooker by its name is using pressure to cook the meat by pushing the steam inside the tissues of the meat and the bones. It's not by boiling or using the high heat, so that's why we don't need that high heat. Very rich soup, and with that you'll be amazed how much meat is left over the bones. 1 tablespoon of cumin, 1 tablespoon of coriander, black pepper, half teaspoon of salt, give it a taste. Cracked wheat, you can use quinoa too. Celery in the same pressure cooker pot. Carrots, onions or leek, I love leek with soup. There, some potatoes. Sweat all of them, some salt will help. Put back all the broth, bring it to boil, lower the heat to simmer. The soup is ready.